Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone slept well, and I hope everybody has a lovely day. But as you can see, I only have one eyebrow done. So what does that mean this video is going to be about? Eyebrows. So as you can see, I don't have much of an eyebrow. In fact, it goes up, and then it goes down, and then it goes back up, and then it goes back down. Yeah. Thanks, esthetician. Anywho, I find it easier to map the eyebrow. I'm going to be using Revolution's brow pomade. You can't really see that because it's so old. Including Ulta brow pomade. Add some to your brush. Place the brush against your nose and mark down. Get some more on your brush. Place the end of the brush on your nostril and then tilt it up until it covers your iris. Then drag down. Darken that up a little bit. Dip it again. Same thing, end of brush to nostril, and tilt until it gets to your outer corner of your eye. And then drag down. Now you're going to connect each line to each other. Now that we've got our outline, we need to fill it in. Now because my eyebrow is wompy, this is where that Ulta Beauty brow pomade comes in handy. It's one shade darker than the kind I used before, and I'm going to outline everything with that darker color. Now time to clean it up. I used Maybelline Super Stay in the shade medium. You can't see that though. I'm holding it up there like you can read backwards.